This is a fit for a 2014 through 2019 Toyota Highlander with a bare roof and fixed point connections. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack, Vortex Aero, RCH base roof rack system. The system is using the Vortex Aero load bars in black, 50 inches in length, the RCH legs, which include locks, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber bases and all the necessary fasteners to connect to the fixed points. This is part number RCP37BK. The bars are in a predetermined fixed location, 27.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. The maximum weight carrying capacity is 176 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.